this lesson, we want to add the article add-on to this, but before we do that, click on add-on here. But before we do that, we need to come over where it says integrations, click on that, and we need to click on install. And once it's installed, we need to click on enable. So what happened now is that's going to allow us to be able to, edit articles from right from our pages. And this also works with JCE editor. So let me just go ahead and just install the JCE editor. So I'm just going to type in JCE, and just right there you click on it, click install. Alright, so now the JCE editor has been installed. To set this as the default, you go over to global configuration, and then where it says default editor, you want to choose JCE, save and close. So you can get articles incorporated into this. So let's click on the articles now. Right now we have just on categorize, because we haven't added anything. But if your site has something here, then you're going to see that stuff here, and it gives you the option. What post types do you want? Do you want this to show as a standard, audio, video, gallery, link, or quote? And you can choose the latest, oldest, popular, or featured only. And these are the settings that you set on your article section. So let's go over here. Let's go to contents. Let's go to article. So we don't have anything right now, so it's not going to be able to pull anything. So let's create something here. And you notice you automatically have this ASP page builder, and you have the Joomla editor. So let's type in here. This is my first article. Okay, so you have the option here to type something here, or you can use Pagebuilder, which is what I always use now. You can be able to style your pages, so the same features that you have is right here for you. If you want to design this page to be a certain way, you want to have more control over your pages, this is what it's going to look like. And keep in mind too that when you're designing a page with articles, you want to make sure that you have ASP Page Builder selected if you want the stuff that you've done to show. If you have Joomla Editor, it's going to show the content from the Joomla section and not the Page Builder. So you want to make sure that you select this one or whichever one that you want to show. So let's go over here now. Let's click on Save and New, and we're going to create another one. This is my second article. So now this one, we're going to use Pagebuilder for it. So let's click on Add New Row, and I'm just going to add an accordion. You can add anything that you want for this one, but I'm just adding this for demonstration purposes so you see what it looks like. So for the page builder here, I'm just going to add in, let's see, I'm going to add in the contact form. So click contact form and then click apply. So I've added a contact form inside of the article. So I'm going to click on save and close. So let's go over back now to page builder here. I'm going to just X this out just so that way it refreshes and picks up the new content. So I'm just going to click on save and then click on this and then click on article. So you get to choose from the on categorize, or you can choose from all the articles that you have. You can choose the post type. So we're just going to choose the standard, or just leave any post. When you leave all post types, it's going to pick up the different ones. So we'll leave that at that. And then you can set the number of articles that you want to display, how many columns that you want to display. So we have just 2 articles now. So I'm going to just click on this one, and we are going to save as copy, just so that way we have 3 different articles that we're going to use that from. So when you click on this, make sure that the status is set to publish. So I'm going to add another article just so that way when we publish it, it has 3 columns. And I'm going to call this one article number 3. And we'll use page builder. You can use page builder, or you can use just the default Joomla. And based on the one that you choose, that's what's going to show up on the front end. So this one, we can choose animated numbers for this and click apply. And then we'll click on save and close. So now when we're coming back here on this post type, we have 3, apply. Let's click on save, and we're going to take a look, see what it looks like on the front end. So here you have it, 1, 2, 3.